the dangers of social media.
The TikTok algorithm. TikTok is considered the most addictive because it uses a variable reward system. The hook. The For You page, FYP for short, uses a fast AI to track your interest in minutes. The addiction. When you swipe up for the next, it's like pulling the handle of a slot machine. You don't know if the next thing is going to be boring or you're going to find your favorite song, so you swipe up for the win.
Facebook. With billions of monthly users, Facebook is considered one of the most used social media sites. For teens, Facebook and its group often relies on social validation. The hook. What drives people to Facebook? Notifications for likes, loves, and shares. The addiction. Each notification provides a bit of dopamine. It creates a need for you to check back and see how your peers are reacting to your life. The results? Anxiety. Anxiety when a post doesn't get enough engagement, leading to oversharing to gain back their attention. WhatsApp.
While it seems like a simple tool, WhatsApp can create instant gratification pressure. The hook, blue ticks, and lasting statuses.
Knowing that someone has read your message but hasn't replied creates a high level of anxiety. This forces users to stay on the app to immediately reply so they aren't seen as ignoring others. The results. This means that people are constantly interrupting you while you're doing your homework or interacting with your family. So, be aware about what you say on social media.